Becoming rich typically requires a combination of smart financial decisions, hard work, and strategic planning. Here are some steps to help you on your journey. #1. Set clear financial goals. Define what rich means to you, e.g., a specific net worth, passive income, or financial freedom. Break your goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term objectives. #2. Educate yourself. Learn about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Read books like The Richest Man in Babylon *, Rich Dad Poor Dad *, or The Millionaire Next Door. #3. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation and unnecessary expenses. Create a budget and track your spending to save more money. #4. Increase your income. Focus on advancing your career or starting a side hustle. Develop high-income skills, e.g., coding, sales, marketing, or investing. #5. Save and invest wisely. Save a portion of your income consistently, aim for 20% or more. Invest in assets that grow over time, such as stocks, real estate, or index funds. #6. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on a single source of income. #7. Network and build relationships. Surround yourself with successful, like-minded individuals. Learn from mentors who have achieved financial success. #8. Take calculated risks. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone. Evaluate opportunities carefully and take action when the potential rewards outweigh the risks. #9. Stay disciplined and patient. Building wealth takes time and consistency. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and focus on long-term strategies. #12. Give back. Practice generosity and philanthropy as you build wealth. Helping others can bring fulfillment and create positive energy in your life. Remember, becoming rich is not just about money, it's about creating a life of abundance, security, and freedom.